Hey guys, welcome back to the channel yami igama lami nguSiphethihle and this is Tricks and Tips with Uspe. If it's your first time joining me, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and just comment your thought below. Please do comment down below. So today I'll be sharing a video that is based on sharing careers that are currently booming in the South African market. If you are in school or you know someone who's in high school or you are looking for a career to pursue, then this video is definitely for you. Even if you are in varsity but you are thinking of, oh, maybe this course is not for me, maybe I need to change, this video is definitely for you. Business Tech shared some data. It says demand for labor increased by 5% whilst job search activity increased by 1% during May 2020. It's a good thing. I know the percentages are very less, but it's a good thing. I mean, as long as there is some sort of employment for people. And then it continues to talk about different things. Career Junction Index, I guess that is where it's a representation of online labor dynamics and whatever. And then they continue to say the latest research shows that following occupation fields are currently the most sought after skill sets in the job market. So they are mentioning software development. So if you are someone who is still in high school, just make sure to choose some subjects that are in relation to software development because it's amongst the jobs that are in demand. And they are saying that comparing May 2021 with January 2021, demand increased by 38%. So demand for lesser skill, say software development, has increased by 38%. Guys, if you are doing software development, then definitely you are on the right path. And then they continue to say middle department management. Department managers remain a high demand year on year. Demand for middle and department managers increased by 76%. That is a lot, guys. That is a lot. So whatever you are doing, just work hard until you get to that point of being a middle or department manager, and then you'll know that your job is secured. Obviously, being a manager requires a lot of skills: managing, planning, controlling, leading. Being a leader on its own, it's something that some people say you learn, some people say it comes natural. If you can manage, then you are the most lucky person in the world. Do not take that for granted because that is amongst the skills that are currently demanded in South Africa in 2021. And then they mentioned representative and sales consulting. Demand for sales representative is showing a consistent growth since May 2020. Demand for sales consultant has grown by 69%. Guys, that is a lot. That is a lot. So those are like the top 3 careers that are currently in demand in South Africa. So if you say high school and you are doing accounting, you are doing e-commerce, business management, then you are definitely in the right path. If you are doing physics or you are doing geography or whatever, imapa careers that are currently booming. Ungathi maso college or university and then you find yourself doing a course that is redundant, meaning that it's useless. Loso skill is out there. So just by all means try to always find ukwenza into that has the most scarce skills, so that mawuphume university or high school or wherever la ufunda khona college, you'll find umsebenzi. Guys, it's so painful ukubona abantu graduate and then bahlala emakhaya. Like, it's so painful because government or companies are no longer employing that skill because it has become redundant. And it's so unfortunate ukuthi university or college angeke izikutshela ukuthi listen, lesi skill osenzayo or le qualification oyenzayo is not needed out there. Bona they'll tata the money and then bakuniki qualification yakho. After 3 years uhlele ekhaya awutholi ngisho internship, awutholi ngisho e-learnership, and then now people are like, oh, you went to school for so long, kanti bewuyoyenzani? Kanti no, abakuloyi. Just that into osoyifundele ayisenawo umsebenzi ongako or sebebaningi abantu abafundele lento ayifundele. So always be careful, and mangabe ufuna ama-advice, go to the right people, go to people who are already in varsity, people people with experience, because abanye abantu bakhona evarsity but it doesn't mean ukuthi they know what is happening. Myself, instance, I know some things. I know my department, I'm doing supply chain, so I understand supply chain. But mangabu uzongibuza civil engineering, what do I know? Nothing. So if you want to do civil engineering, go to people who did civil engineering, talk to them, babuza ukuthi how is it going, is this course still relevant, njengoba nifunda nina guys nizibona nikuphi in the next 5 years. Bazokutshela the honest truth because bona sebeyabona i-industry yabo ukuthi injani. So according to business tech, those are the 3 most demanded skills in South Africa currently. I'm gonna just browse through and see ukuthi khona enye into abayimentionile, but sales representative, department management, and software development, those are the top 3. So if you are within those, those fields, or I don't know, you are studying something that is related, you can even take a short course. I mean, there are short courses where you can do marketing for 6 months and then they give you a certificate. Do that, because guys, these are linked to the changing environment and the changing way of doing business. Since we are all moving to the 4th industrial revolution, hence uhole using Instagram, ungaba influencer, and then brands are gonna approach you. It's like you are managing a business with your account. You are being that billboard that is there to advertise product of certain companies. This is linked to the new revolution SSC approach or SSP Lagon. With that being said, please go and check out my new Instagram page. I've just opened Instagram page. I'll leave a link down below. As I was browsing, they are showing the average salaries that they are paying for these types of jobs, and they are mentioning areas where these careers are mostly found, I would say, because they are saying in Gauteng, if you are doing software development, they are saying in Gauteng you are most likely to find a job, and that job will be paying you 45,694 rands to 56,104 rands per month. Guys, per month. And then but in Western Cape, if you are doing a software development or you are pursuing a career in software development, you are most likely to be paid 42,910 rand to 53,247 rand per month. Okay, KZN, this type of career is not available, unfortunately, and they didn't mention the other provinces. And then representative and sales consultant, if you are in Joburg, Gauteng, you are most likely to be paid 15,067 rands to 22,253 rands per month. That is not bad. That is doable. Western Cape, 17,427 to 22,476 rands per month. KZN, it is 15,067 rands to 21,167 rands. So if you are doing a representative or sales consultant, these are the most likely salaries, and you are most likely to find this career in Gauteng, Western Cape, and KZN. Unfortunately, other provinces were not mentioned. And then article continues to say top employment sectors. Significant online demand indicates positive employment trends based on the most recent online hiring activities. 5 sectors are identified that show promising employment. So these are the top employment sectors, but there are 5 of them, and it's information technology, sales, business and management, finance, admin, office and support. So if you are trying to find a career within those 5 sectors, you are most likely to get employed. These sectors are in relation to our Instagram medias. That's why we have brand deals. That's why you would find someone actually go to Mina, I don't work, but I do YouTube full time. How is YouTube paying you? Because brands are approaching that person and offering money to that person in exchange of advertisement of what whatever products they want to be known by that person's audience. So I know I've been rambling and I've been all over the place, but I hope you'll find the point and you'll find the value in this video. So without wasting any of your time, I think I'll do freelancing on the next video. I'll just call it the part 2 video because this was just too long already. So please do subscribe if you enjoyed obviously this video, and if you have watched this far, please do comment. What do you think? I'll obviously link the article down below on the description box. Please just click and go read out. Please do subscribe, hit that notification bell for a part 2 yale video, and also comment down below what do you think. Give this video a huge thumbs up, guys. Share, please do share with everyone who needs this kind of information. Please do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.